Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. In today's video, we continue south on US-98, State Road 35, and State Road 700, beginning at mile 453 in unincorporated Pasco County. We're entering a long construction zone here, and you can see the corridor being rebuilt and widened. This stretch of US-98 has been transitioning from a mostly two-lane rural highway into a divided four-lane highway with a median. Much of this work is part of a multi-year project to improve capacity and safety between Pasco and Polk counties. By the time this video is published, large portions of this segment are expected to be complete or very close, with new pavement, wider shoulders, and a continuous median replacing older two-lane sections. The roadway ahead shows fresh grading, new drainage, and sections where the new alignment is already open alongside the older pavement. We cross into Polk County, and the construction continues as US-98 pushes deeper into central Florida. Polk County is one of the fastest growing counties in the state, with a population of over 725,000 as of recent estimates, and much of that growth is spreading into areas like this along the US-98 corridor. This highway serves as a key north-south route linking Dade County, Lakeland, and Bartow, and eventually continuing south towards Sebring and Palm Beach County. We pass through the community of Gibsonia, an unincorporated area just north of Lakeland. This area has seen steady residential and commercial growth in recent years, helped by its proximity to Interstate 4 and the Lakeland metro area. Development is still somewhat spread out here, but you can see newer homes, small businesses, and roadside services beginning to fill in along the corridor. We enter the city of Lakeland, and the roadway reflects that transition right away. US-98 has expanded to 3 lanes in each direction with a raised median and signalized intersections. Lakeland had a population of 112,641 as of the 2020 census, with more recent estimates placing it higher, making it one of the largest cities in Central Florida. The city was founded in the late 1800s and named for its many nearby lakes, which remain a defining feature today. Lakeland is known for attractions like Hollis Garden, Lake Mirror, and Florida Southern College, which features the largest collection of Frank Lloyd Wright architecture in one place. The city also hosts annual events like the Sun and Fun Aerospace Expo, one of the largest aviation gatherings in the country. With a median household income of about $63,000 and a median home value around $275,000, Lakeland has become an increasingly popular place to live for those commuting to Orlando or Tampa. Lakeland Square Mall comes up on the right as we approach Interstate 4. Opened in 1988, this regional shopping center remains one of the primary retail hubs in the area, with a mix of national retailers, restaurants, and entertainment options. Just beyond the mall, US-98 meets Interstate 4 at a single-point urban interchange, or SPUI. Interstate 4 runs west toward Tampa and east towards Orlando, serving as one of Florida's busiest and most important corridors connecting the Gulf Coast to Central Florida's theme parks and attractions. We conclude today's video at mile 475.8, wrapping up not only this segment, but also our filming day from November 28, 2025. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment below, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.